Good morning, students. I am Mayank Tiwari. Today we are going to solve one paper, Assistant Director Agriculture, MPSC Indore. So, a lot of questions there are important for your BHU exam and Pannagar exam. So, let's discuss them. Student question number 1 you see, it is a very basic question. The main component of integrated pest management include. You have to tell what are the main components of integrated pest management. Option A, cultural, physical, mechanical. Option B, biological and chemical. Option C, pest monitoring and surveillance. Option D, all. So student, integrated pest control, all of these components are required. Student question number 2, International Research Center, CIMMET, for improvement of maize and wheat is situated at option A, Brazil, option B, Argentina, option C, Russia, option D, Mexico. So student, this you have read in your first year onwards. CIMMET is located in Mexico. So you remember some more international institutes. First, IRRI, International Rice Research Institute. It was established in Philippines in 1960. If you are preparing for agronomy, these years also you need to remember. Then student CIMMET, it was established in 1966. ICARDA, student, this is important, International Center for Agriculture Research in Dryland Areas. So ICARDA was established in Aleppo, Syria, 1977. ICRISAT, student, ICRISAT was established in 1972, International Crop Research Institute for Semi-Arid Tropics, Hyderabad. IRLAD, International Laboratory for Research on Animal Diseases. It is in Nairobi, Kenya. ICGAB, International Center for Genetic Engineering and Biotechnology. It's in two countries, Italy and New Delhi. Then IBPGR, International Board of Plant Genetic Resources. It is in New Delhi. NBPGR, National Bureau for Plant Genetic Resources. It's in IRI. IAMI, International Irrigation Management Institute. Student, this is very important. International Irrigation Management Institute. It's in Diagana, Sri Lanka. Sometimes they do not give you the countries; they give you the place. Like in IBBGR, they won't give you Italy; they will give you Rome. In IIMI, they will give you Diagana, not Sri Lanka. So you remember the places also for important institute. AVRDC, Asian Vegetable Research and Development Center, it's in Taiwan. IITA, International Institute for Tropical Agriculture. Student, this is very important and confusing also because International Institute of Tropical Agriculture, it's in Nigeria. CIAT, International Center for Tropical Agriculture, it's in Colombia. Remember it. If there is center, then Colombia. If it's institute, then it's Nigeria. Student, remember some other institute as well. NARM, National Academy for Agriculture Research and Management, Hyderabad. If you qualify ARS, then your training will be in NARM. Then FRI, Forest Research Institute, Dehradun. NCRT, you all know. Fourth you see NRCWS, National Research Center for Wheat Science, Jabalpur, MP. The VP Singh here in the agronomy division of Pannagar was the director some times ago. I do not know who is the present director. NRCWT, National Research Center for National Research Center for Water Technology. National Research Center for Water Technology, it's in Bhubaneswar, Odisha. And NRC for Women in Agriculture. Student, this is very important. National Research Center for Women in Agriculture, it's in also Bhubaneswar, Odisha. And PDWMR, Project Directorate for Water Management Research, it's in Patna, Bihar. Remember it. Project Directorate for Water Management Research, it's in Patna, Bihar. Then Project Directorate of Rice Research, it's in Hyderabad. Remember it. And Project Directorate of Maize Research, it's in New Delhi. Now it has been shifted to Ludhiana. Then student, this Project Directorate for Wheat Research, it's in Karnal, Haryana. Then NIOF, National Institute of Organic Farming, it's in Ghaziabad, UP. Then NCIPM, National Center for Integrated Pest Management, it's in New Delhi. Then WMO, World Meteorological Organization, headquarters are in Geneva, Switzerland. DFR, Directorate of Floriculture Research, it's in New Delhi. Then student, DIPA, Directorate of Information and Publication on Agriculture, it's in New Delhi. Then NBB, National Biodiversity Board, it's in New Delhi. And National Biodiversity Authority, it's in Chennai. Please remember it. Then NASM, National Agriculture Science Museum, it's in New Delhi. ARFIS, Agriculture Research Finance Information System, I think it's also in New Delhi. DRMR, Directorate of Rapeseed and Mustard, it's in Bharatpur, Rajasthan. Earlier it was called NRC for Rapeseed and Mustard. Then student, APEDA, Agriculture and Processed Food Export Development Authority, it's in New Delhi. Then NAFED, National Agriculture Cooperative Marketing Federation. The year of NAFED is also, student, remember, 1958. It is very important. NABARD, National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development. It was established in 12 July 1982. Shivraman Committee, also remember the committee. They also ask you the committee responsible for formation of NABARD. So it's Shivraman Committee. Then GATT, General Agreement on Trade and Tariffs. It was established in 1995. Then student CACP, Commission for Agricultural Cost and Prices, CACP, NIAM, NIAM, many of your seniors are here. National Institute of Agriculture Marketing, Jaipur, LAMS, Large Size Adivasi Multipurpose Cooperative Society. Then CFQ, CTI, Central Fertilizer Quality Control and Training Institutes, it's in Faridabad, Uttar Pradesh. Then NPPTI, National Plant Protection Training Institute, it's in Hyderabad, Andhra Pradesh. Then student last but not the least, DMI, Directorate of Marketing and Inspection, it's in Faridabad only. So in UP, National Institute of Organic Farming and Directorate of Marketing and Inspection, both are in UP, remember it. And student, one more important thing, first NRC was established for groundnut, it's in Junagadh, Gujarat, remember it. So student, question number 3, I already told you, Centralized Research Institute, Cuttack, Odisha. Now come to question number 5 directly. Shalimar Garden is situated in. So Shalimar Garden is situated in Kashmir. And student, now question number 7 you see. Metacistox is an insecticide of contact poison, systemic poison, both A and B. D, fumigant. So student, remember, Metacistox is a fumigant. Important insecticide and their trade name, students, you must remember, like organochlorine group, dicophol. Dicophol is a miticide. The trade name of dicophol is calthane. Then endosulfan. The trade name of endosulfan is thiodine. Please remember, endosulfan is the safest insecticide for honeybee. Then organophosphate, acephate, acetaf. Then chlorpyrifos. Chlorpyrifos name is Durspan. All the phos ending insecticide, they are organophosphate. Remember it. Then student dimethylate. Dimethylate rocker, also an organophosphate. Dichlorovos, it is called Nuvan or Vapona, it's also an organophosphate. Then ethione, phosmite. Then monochrotophos. Monochrotophos, student, it's very important, organophosphate. The trade name of monochrotophos is Nuvacron. Then student, methyl parathione. Methyl parathione trade name is metaacid, also important organophosphate. Then student, malathione. Malathione trade name is Cythione. Then oxydametone methyl. Oxydametone methyl is metacistox. So it is a organophosphate. And organophosphate are fumigant, remember it. Then forate. Forate tengi. Forate tengi trade name is Thimet. Phosphomidone trade name is Dimacron. Then student, come to the carbamate group. In carbamate group, the LD carb. LD carb trade name is Tamic. Then carbofuran. Carbofuran trade name is Furadin. Then carbaryl. Carbaryl trade name is 7. Then come to synthetic pyrethroid. Synthetic pyrethroid, you see cypermethrin. Cypermethrin is Cymebush. Then deltamethrin. Deltamethrin trade name is Dekis. Then come to the fumigant group. Fumigant group is aluminium phosphide. Aluminium phosphide is Sulfos. Students, some new insecticide origin, new insecticide group, you must remember, imidacloprid is called Confidor or Gauche. And student, this thiamethoxam. Thiamethoxam is called Cruiser or Ectara. Acidamiprid. Acidamiprid is called Pride. And student, now come to this pyrrole insecticide, fipronil. Fipronil is called Regent. Ivermectin benzoate is called Proclaim. Spinosad is called Tracer or Naturelate. Then student, chitin synthesis inhibitor, diflubenzuron. Diflubenzuron is called Dimelin. Then come to biopesticide. Bacillus thuringiensis is called Dipel or Spicturin or Halt or Biobit. Verticillium lacini is called Vertilac. Weberia vaccinia is Larvocil or Bovarin. Hirsutella thompsoni is called Miker. Metarhizium anacephol is called Biomax. NPV is called Elcar. Then student, miscellaneous group, Cartap hydrochloride. Cartap hydrochloride is Padan or Kaldan. So student, many of the time they ask you to match. So these, at least these which I am telling you, these are very important. So student, question number 7, Metacistox is an insecticide of, earlier I told you wrong, Metacistox is an insecticide of systemic poison. Metacistox is not a fumigant, so please remember, correct it. Metacistox is a systemic poison. Student, question number 8, you see, the ratio of grain and straw in paddy. You have to tell what is the ratio of grain and straw in paddy. This is a very important question. So remember it, the ratio of grain and paddy. The ratio of grain and straw in paddy is 2:1. Please students remember it. This is very important. Now directly come to question number 16. Pyrite is mostly found in. So in which state of India you can find pyrite? Bihar. Student, question number C also you see. Question number 14 also you see. This Pusa purple wrong is a variety of. Remember student, this is very important variety. Can be asked in your BHU exam. Pusa purple wrong is a variety of brinjal. Remember it. Some more important question is, student, the best method for developing disease resistance in plant is option A, introduction, option B, selection, option C, hybridization, option D, backcrossing. So students, remember it, the best method for developing disease resistance in plant is backcrossing. Some more important fact you need to remember. First, student, there are two basic steps of any breeding program. First is creation of variation, second is selection. Progeny test. Progeny test was developed by Louis D. Vilmorin. Can be important for your VHU exam and Panagar exam. Progeny test was developed by Louis D. Vilmorin. Remember it. The concept of pure line was given by Johansen in 1903 on the basis of his studies with Prince's variety of bean, Phaseolus vulgaris. Remember the name Johansen and also which variety of bean he worked upon. Johansen worked on Prince's variety of bean. Bulk method, you remember? Bulk method was first used by Nelson LA. Remember it. And bulk method is also called mass method or population method of breeding. Student, these facts are important. Who developed bulk method? Nelson LA. And what is bulk method, also known as mass method or population method of breeding? And student, in backcross method, you remember one fact. At the end of 6 to 8 backcrosses, the progeny will be almost identical with the parent used in backcross. Remember it, student, this is very important. Student, question number 18, you see, cross-pollination in bajra occurs due to protogyny. This is very important, student, remember it. Cross-pollination in bajra occurs by protogyny. Student, question number 20. Newly started externally funded research of ICR is. So, it is not newly started. This is NAIP, National Agriculture Innovation Project. Something like that. It was started long time ago. Please see the year important. NAIP year you see. I am not remembering right now. This can be important. Then 21 you see. Gibberellic acid was first discovered from. So student, gibberellic acid was first discovered from a fungus, Gibberella fusicorae. Then student, question number 2 also can be important for your exam. Cohesive force theory of ascent of sap was given by. So cohesive force theory of ascent of sap was given by Dickson. Student, remember some more theories. Vital theory. Actually these are the theory explaining mechanism of ascent of sap. Remember it. So first, vital theory or clambering pump theory of ascent of sap was given by Goldovsky. In the pulsation theory was given by Sir J.C. Bose. Root pressure theory was given by Stephen Hales. Student, remember it. The root pressure is measured by manometer. The physical theory of ascent and sap. First physical theory is capillarity theory. Capillarity theory was given by Baum. Then imbibition theory of ascent and sap given by Sachs. And this third important theory, student, this is the most important theory. Cohesion and adhesion theory, transpiration pull theory. This is the most accepted theory, and this is given by Dickson and Joly in 1894. Remember it, this is very important. So student, that's all for today. If you have any doubts in any question, please message me. And in case you want video on any specific topic, please message me. Thank you.